Hello, what does Facebook, Uber, Alibaba.com, Google, Amazon, and Airbnb have in common? Well, they are all platforms. So what is a platform? A platform essentially is something that facilitates the interactions between actors. So platform grows tremendously with network effects. The greater the number of users of the platform, the more valuable the platform is, which will attract more users. Think Uber, think Facebook, Airbnb, and so on. So now we look at a problem that the world is currently facing. There's hunger, but at the same time, there's also extra food supplies for everyone. And adding to this paradox is food waste. Why would people waste food when there is hunger all over the world? Well, WECAF wants to connect the dots. We want to connect people, those with extra food supply and those who have demands for food. Let's say you have leftover fruits. So what can you do? You can use WECAF to connect. Think about all those extra farm produce. What can you do so that they didn't get wasted? You can use WECAF to connect. And maybe fruits that are not so beautiful, rather than throwing it, what can you do? You can use WECAF to connect. And let's say you have a high demand of food. There have been accidents somewhere and you need food. What can you do? Use WECAF to connect. WECAF is trying to connect the dots using a platform. WECAF wants to facilitate the interaction between those with supply and those with demand with the power of Quintic. So let's say you have extra food supply. You provide some data and then you'll be displayed with a list of people who actually need food. We're trying to connect people who have supply with people who have demand. Or maybe you are the one with demand. You provide some data and we'll connect you to those who actually have extra food. For example, we see here there's a girl in United Kingdom with extra fruits to expire soon. Because the fruits are going to expire, then she can indicate this as an urgent case. So we have two strategies that we'd like to use to move forward. So first, the piggyback strategy. Because Quintic already have several customers who are in the food business, we can implement our solution for them. Then when our customer happens to have an extra food supply, people in the other side of the world who have food demand can actually knows about it. The other one is a micro market strategy. As a finishing note, platform technology is one of the emerging technology acknowledged by almost everyone who have not heard of Facebook. And WECAF is trying to make use of this technology backed with the power of Quintic to solve one of the world's greatest puzzles.